Ito yung rate of change in a tabular form. Ito, topic na to nung first year, last quarter ng first year high school o ng grade 7. And then, topic na to ng first o second quarter ng second year high school o nung grade 8 nung panahon namin. Ito, binalikan ko lang. Kasi, dito sa table na to, doon mo makikita yung rate of change by inspection. Yung rate of change by inspection. Halimbawa, change in Y over change in X. Halimbawa, kung titingnan mo yung table mo, kung may increase siya o going up, titingnan mo lang kung ilan yung increase at saka kung pababa siya, ilan yung decrease. Okay, halimbawa, kung yung titingnan mo yung values ng Y mo. Kung yung values ng Y mo 2, 3, 4, 5. So may increase ng 1. And then yung X mo 5, 10, 15, 20. So lalabas yung change in Y over change in X mo 1/5. So yun yung pinakamabilis. Based on sa values, yung rate of change mo is 1/5. Kung gaano kalaki gaano kalaki kasi sa table na to yung number lumalaki o tumataas. Gaano kalaki yung pagtaas ng number dun sa table mo. So 1/5. Plus 1 yung Y, then plus 5 yung X. Yun yung quick application ng rise is to run o yung slope na tinatawag. So, yun lang, no? Kasi, kagaya yan, yung average rate of change and then yung isusunod natin is instantaneous rate of change. Yan may katungkulan sa slope. At yan yung pinaka-essence ng calculus. Yun bang function is pataas o yung function ba ay pababa? So habang kumicurve siya, pababa ba yung niya, unti-unti ba yung pagbaba niya o paunti-unti ba yung pagtaas niya, yun yung calculus. Yun yung essence nun. So yun lang.